Welcome to the new series of stock market videos. Today we are going to discuss the difference between trading and investing. Trading versus investing, how they differ. Why do people invest in share market? The goal is wealth creation, though there are different ways to go about it. While some people turn into investors in the stock market, others focus on trading. The trading versus investing debate is an ongoing one, and there are inherent differences between the two approaches. Let us discuss. Trading versus investing. If you invest in share market, your aim may be to generate gains from long-term investment, but a trader would approach things differently. A trader prefers a short-term investment and aims to sell the shares in order to profit from price fluctuations. The following pointers highlight the difference between traders and investors. That is the period of investment, risk appetite, approach, psychology, decision making process, capital requirement. Period of investment. The trader goes for a short term investment, holding the shares for a few months, weeks, or days. Intraday traders, in fact, buy and sell shares within a single trading day. An investor, however, leans towards long term investment. They hold on the shares for a long time, even for several years, to generate capital gains. Next comes the risk appetite. A trader faces share price fluctuations in the short term, so it helps the trader to have a high tolerance for risk. The investor is more risk averse. Nevertheless, when you invest in share market for a long term, daily market cycles may not have a big impact. Next comes approach. Traders profit from the stock price movements. They buy shares when the prices are low. They sell shares when the prices go up. So, traders monitor the market regularly to identify the best opportunities to make a trade. The investor, however, is in it for the long haul. When you invest in share market for a longer period, the benefit largely comes from the power of compounding interest. Psychology. An investor is patient enough to sit tight and hold on to the long-term investment. Quite often, investors have a low appetite for risk as well. Meanwhile, a trader welcomes risk, does extensive research, and sticks to a definite trading plan. Traders also think on their feet and make course corrections when market moves against them. Next comes the decision making process. Investors may take a lot of time before deciding to invest in shares. They study the fundamentals of different companies, assess their management practices, their growth potential, and many other factors. While traders do look at the fundamentals, they also conduct technical analysis using price charts and other tools. The decision making tends to be quicker, but they usually already have a strategy to guide them. Next comes capital requirement. Traders look for short term investment opportunities that offer gains through price movement. But to earn substantial profits, they need to trade large quantities of stocks. They can do this using margin funds borrowed from the broker. Investors, on the other hand, must arrange for funds on their own. They may also be locked into investment for a longer time, whereas traders can quickly liquidate positions as required. Next, we are summing up trading versus investing strategy. Whether you decide to be a trader or an investor, it will depend upon your financial needs and your approach to the finances. Both methods bring returns provided you act in a disciplined manner.